Hey guys, since Black Friday is tomorrow, I'm giving you a quick review of Samsung's BU8000 series, which I'm currently testing, and review will be published next week. However, right now it's important that you know whether or not this is a good TV and if there are any alternatives. So, based on my tests of this 50-inch version, I can say that performance is like last year's AU7000 or AU8000 series, but with latest version of Tizen OS. So we have same max brightness, 60Hz VA panel, there is no local dimming, no quantum dots, a global dimming is still present and there is no way in user menus to disable it. You will get same remote with solar charging, Bixby voice assistant, there is no game dashboard, there is no ambient mode like I saw on QN90B QLED series TV, there is no picture-in-picture, and basically Tizen OS on this TV looks like stripped down version from what I saw on QLED series. There are many alternatives. If you want cheaper TV, you can go with Samsung's AU7000 series from last year. A good alternative is Hisense A63H series. That one comes with Vida operating system, so you can check that how it looks, but in general it offers all popular apps and it's also good alternative. Then if you want quantum dot technology, I would say look at TCL's C635 series with Google TV interface. I tested C735 and you can find a review on my channel. It's a very good TV for the price. You can also find Samsung's Q60B, which is entry-level QLED series, which is brighter and it has quantum dots, so you will see benefits with HDR content. And if you need wider viewing angle from the TV, I would say look at LG TVs like their Nano series, or even Samsung's BU8500 series, which has slightly different design, but more importantly it is using panels similar to IPS on LG TVs, which is called ADS, on some screen sizes. So definitely I advise you to visit displayspecifications.com, enter model number there, and you will find more information about the panel TV uses, refresh rate, and other details which are not usually revealed on manufacturers' websites. You can also ask me in the comment section, read reviews, watch reviews, and good luck finding your next TV this Black Friday.